Hi everyone. Code of silence, code of strength. The code of people who never waste words because their actions speak louder than any promise. This Harley-Davidson Night Rod Special left the factory assembly line almost 20 years ago. Back then, it was simply a performance cruiser, fast, bold, yet still a production motorcycle. It returned to Las Vegas not to shine beneath the neon lights of the Strip. It came back to fall silent forever, to become the ultimate weapon of style. A project that DD Designs named Omerta, after the ancient code of silence. The customer's request was simple. Build a motorcycle so intimidating that people fall silent the moment they see it, forgetting whatever they were about to say. And that's exactly what they created. Your eyes are drawn first to the front wheel. It's wider than the rear wheel on most cruisers. Its mere presence devours the asphalt. The engineers at DD Designs design unique cast wheels with a satin matte black finish and machined custom brake rotors, making the stopping power every bit as beautiful as the acceleration. But as always, the devil is in the details. Look closely at the brake calipers. That toxic yellow isn't just an accent. It's a warning signal hidden beneath matte carbon fiber and blacked out metal. The front fork has been lowered by an inch using a progressive suspension system. The motorcycle crouches over its front end like a predator preparing to strike. Towering above it all is a handlebar as wide as the shoulders of a professional fighter, broad, black, and utterly ruthless. The halo headlight stares back at you through a carbon fiber mask. This isn't just a light, it's the eye of a nocturnal beast. And the carbon fiber front fender, woven in a durable 4x4 pattern, is engineered to withstand serious stress while looking like a delicate work of art. Beneath the tank beats the heart of Omerta, the legendary Revolution V-twin. But here, it looks completely different. DD Designs blacked out the entire engine, erasing the line between machinery and shadow. It is no longer just an engine. It is a mass of darkness producing 125 horsepower. Carbon fiber radiator covers and cooling line protectors add a technical edge without disturbing the bike's monolithic appearance. And then there's the exhaust. Custom stainless steel with dual outlets. It doesn't roar, it delivers a deep, vibrating whisper that resonates through your chest. It's the voice of the Mafia, if the Mafia were a motorcycle. The controls, foot pegs and hand grips, are completely blacked out. No chrome, no shine. Only the tactile aggression of black metal. Now look higher. The seat is where rider and machine become one. DD Designs crafted it from a combination of suede and genuine leather. Its yellow diamond stitching isn't merely about comfort. It's a reminder that behind this steel masterpiece lies true handcrafted craftsmanship. The Night Rod fuel tank has been transformed beyond recognition. Across its black surface appears a single symbol, the legendary Harley-Davidson Willie G skull. But it's more than just a badge. It's a mark of membership in a closed circle where only strength and loyalty are respected. The instrument panel remains completely dark until the ignition is switched on. Only then do the illuminated numbers come alive, glowing like eyes in the darkness.
Trust instead of biting fingers till they bleed.
But the most shocking view is from the rear. Forget everything you know about a standard night rod. DD Designs brought an outrageous idea to life by installing a single-sided swing arm. It's an engineering achievement that completely exposes the rear end of the motorcycle. Inside that open wheel arch spins a gigantic, futuristic 300mm rear tire. The DD logo wheel rotates like the propeller of an invisible aircraft. All of this beauty rides on an air ride suspension system. The controls are hidden from sight. One press of a button, and the motorcycle literally sinks onto the pavement, freezing in place like a sculpture. Another press, and it's ready to attack the next corner. The rear is completed by minimalist Kellerman LED taillights and a center stand. Yes, it can stand perfectly upright, but make no mistake, Omerta is always ready to lean into the next corner or disappear into the night. Omerta is the choice of those who have already achieved everything, those with nothing left to prove, to the world or to themselves. This is a motorcycle artifact. A tribute to craftsmanship, detail, and silence. It simply appears. And silence falls all around. The code of silence has been honored. Thanks for watching.